December 9th, and I'm just now getting back to the vet. I've been out mostly because I had to completely redo my bathroom because my previous owners completely dorked it up and it was causing some mold issues. So I've had to pause Corvette for a little while. I think I mentioned that in the last video, but now I'm hoping to get back into it. Redid a lot of my garage, a lot more space now. Got everything heated, sealed up, insulated. So I've been busy, taking up my time. So this part for the video series is basically I'm going to be taking the whole of the car. It's still on the donor for the coupe. Go ahead and reverse this and go over what I want to do. Is I want to clean everything out. I've got a lot of this insulation material. I've already started here. I've already got video footage of that. You can see where there's some damage has been repaired, fiberglass. So I'm gonna review that and see how good the repairs actually are. But for the most part with the car, what I have to do is I've got all this insulation mat material here. I have to scrape it off, get the fiberglass bare, clean. It goes all the way back. It's just this glue, you can really see it on here. This glue is just stuck to everything. I don't know if that's from the factory or not. Probably is. But all this old carpet, you can see, I just can't save any of that, so I gotta pull it all up and trash it. Whatever that thing is. I think that's some sort of mount or support that was used for the T-tops. But I'm also going to be pulling out this dash. Got to take the support out, take down the HVAC control there, finish cleaning some stuff out, and then I'm going to lift the body up. I'm going to get it on a dolly or on jack stands for now. And then I got to pull this frame out and start working on disassembly for that. And one thing that I found is this has been repaired. On this control arm here, you can see the welds kind of shittily done. I don't know if that was painted over Bondo, I'm not quite sure what that is right now, but you can see the crease that goes all the way through the middle. It's been pounded back into shape or pulled, crinkled, I'm not sure. I don't really trust it. But what I want to do is get that off, see where the bad part is, take some measurements, see if it's okay. Probably not. Probably gonna get another frame, to be honest. But you can see where it's been hit as well with the firewall. You got all these little fiberglass repairs here and there. It looks like they did it to repair cracks. You can see through to the quarter here. And then if I go over, I've got the more repairs that are coming up through here. And they tried to reshape and remake things. That's really bad. I love that washer that's kind of hanging out there. And then there's this thing for the vents. Absolutely terrible. But the good thing is, you go in, you look at the bird cage. I don't see any damage yet. I don't see anything buckled or bowed. So I'm hoping that this bird cage is still good. The only thing that I've really noticed that is in the common spots here in the corners. This one side's not that bad, but if you go over there, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see some rust forming there. I'll know more once I get the body off and debunk some stuff. So that's the goal for this this part of the build, part of the video. I hope to be done with it in a week or two. We'll see as my time allows. everything out of the car. I'm ready to take the body off. I wanted to pull as much wiring and dirt, crud, and whatever I could out of it before I took it off and put it on stands, but I ran into a bit of a issue with removing the wiring. Got down here and realized, I don't know if this is recording, they had picked the body up and then just dropped it right on top of this wiring harness. So I got to pull it out, pull the whole thing off anyway, and we'll see what happens. This is probably one of my favorite hobbies. Now that the body is separated and I'm able to see all the extra work I've got to do and some stuff to avoid, I think the next couple steps I'm going to have will be to build a little dolly for this guy here, or this lady, and I'm going to get her up on wheels, rearrange the garage a little bit, and then I'll probably push her off to the side, and then I have to break down everything on this frame. The dolly's got to come first because right now everything's on the jack stands. So that'll be a little migration I do. Pull everything off, differential, bolts, cross members, just nothing really salvageable other than that. Maybe take some pictures for geometry's sake, whenever, not for geometry, but for reassembly, whenever I actually do that. And somehow figure out how to get rid of the broke ass frame. So until next time, we'll see you later.